Hello guys, I have a good position here in Netflix where I can see that the market is reversing a little. I have no issue. I will gonna add more on the top of the highest of the day. I'm waiting to see a proper setup. So the proper setup here is the SPY to fill the gap, then fill half of the gap, then we're gonna short. This is my setup here. So I'm confident actually, and I'm even not worried about this position. If I have a good profit today morning from last time swing play, I'm willing to see any repetitive pattern here where it can take me to short again. So the shorting position here would be 166.50 if it trigger. I'm willing to add in 294 in Netflix. Let's see how that can improve here. Nvidia is so far from that. Need to progress $2 to upside. Need something so aggressive like Tesla. Let's see Tesla. Tesla is so aggressive. It closed half of the gap. It closed the gap itself and continued to upward. Tesla for a long time it is very aggressive mover for upside. But we were gonna wait to the moment that it can be fade. I'm away penny in Netflix to add in my position. But I don't want the volume fading now. It is struggling to continue. I'm going to short again. I don't want to give us the move. SPY is very slow. SPY is very slow. SPY is about to fill half of the gap. It tried today to fill the half of the gap, then it break down. Now again trying to fill half of the gap.
Order filled.
Okay, I average my price in Netflix for double the profit. Tesla is a little bit risky. Nobody understands Tesla move. Regardless marking is failing, Tesla is upward. So trading Tesla right now it is something very hard. VMware. Let's see VMware. What is doing VMware today? Very low volume. VMware. Here we go. Netflix is going great. Netflix. My realistic target in Netflix at the lows here 292. So it is almost $1 to downside. Let's see how this can trigger. I'm checking also VMware, but it's very slow mover. I hit them slow mover. APL. Let's see Apple. Apple doing the same, but what is that? What is that? Great, great, great Netflix. Great Netflix. Continue. Continue Netflix. I need the spy to failing now, so Netflix will go also so fast. As I told you guys. I can take a partial here. I just can take a partial here.
Order filled.
So remaining 1000 shares. I realize $500. So I'm taking the partial. Fantastic, 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 fantastic. Realistic 7 cent. We was about to reach the target. Spy is failing. Somebody try to prevent that. Here as a part of risk management, I have to count till 10. If it's not getting me what I want, I have to exit. So I need to see a continuation in SPY. Otherwise I have to exit. No need to see any reverse here. So it is 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 2, 3, 2, 2, 1, 0. Just willing to get it in a good position. Realistic one. It doesn't give me this opportunity. I'm supposed to exit. I'm doing now some not discipline works, but I'm supposed to exit here at 209, 292.50. It goes against me, as I said. This is to prove for anyone that discipline is very important. But I don't like this shape anymore. It is upward actually. So it's supposed to failing from here, but it didn't fail at return again. So there is a bouncy area here where it take me into non-comfortable position right now. Spy trying to spike hardly. Netflix is reacting. Let's see if this is a continuation here or I can cut it and go away. Just a second, guys. Wanting to see Tesla, what Tesla doing. Tesla again. I'm one of Tesla lover actually. I would like to love to trade Tesla again. One of the technical information mentioned that if it come to this position, it is very good opportunity to short it if there is a not continuation in a volume. Especially SPY right now spiking to upside very hardly, and Tesla didn't want to move and go fast. It is a good opportunity. I'm willing to take this risk in Tesla. I'm gonna short Tesla. Oof, 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 oof.
Order filled.
What is that? What is that?
Order filled.
No, exited Tesla. problem. No problem. This was my risk in Tesla. I know what I'm telling you guys.
Order filled.
So I average in Tesla for a quick scalp here in Tesla. I missed to average also on Netflix. I missed to average on Netflix. This is a kind of doji in Netflix. It is a bull flicker information. It shouldn't break this area. But any chance to exit Netflix, I will gonna do it. Prepare my order here in Tesla. The market is solid right now. Market would like to reverse, trying to reverse. The market trying to reverse. Where if there is any small candlestick in the SPY for downward, it will be a profit
Order
here.
filled.
Oh my god, mistakenly I exit Tesla. Mistakenly I press the key and exit Tesla with $400 loss, no problem. My god, my god. Okay, go Netflix, please. This is the issue if you're focusing in multiple of screen and you press wrong key. No, not a problem. Love to see SPY fading right now. Good SPY trying to fail. Any stock guys you would like me to watch and give you analysis, please let me know. Let's see AMD. AMD doing the same pattern. Doing the same pattern. And it is not a big mover. For me it's not a big mover. 30-40 cents. This is a normal scalping trades. From the bottom till the highest is 30 cent or 40 cent. This is not my focus. My focus is moving $2-3 very fast move, so I can take the 30 cent or 40 cent very fast. Good Netflix. New SPY trying to fail. I missed the second time to add in my short side in Netflix because of the Tesla. There is a stock called DD. DDD is doing the perfect setup, the best ideal way to short it here because of the half of the gap. Let me see the half of the gap here. Yeah, this is the best area to short. Fantastic, fantastic Netflix. I'm preparing my order on Netflix. Any penny reverse here, I will exit. So I put an order here, I will gonna cancel it. Filling 200 shares. Put it again.
Order filled.
Okay, order filled. Fantastic, realistic target now on Netflix. We did a great job on Netflix. DDD is very slow mover, but I like the setup. I like the setup actually. I like the setup. SPY is not reversing, but Netflix is spiking. I don't know why. If I had the chance to short it from here again, I will gonna short. Oh my god, so fast I couldn't find it. See the big mover of Netflix. Oh my god, imagine if we short it again here again. It's almost $2. $1.5. Now it's around $1. DDD is great actually. I like DDD. I like DDD. I will take a little bit decent position here in DDD. Love to short DDD.
Order
Did a
filled.
good job last time in DDD. Let's see DDD here. Double D, sorry, not triple D. Okay, today buy Netflix. If I watch Netflix again, I will gonna short. Oh my god, SPY is failing. SPY is failing hardly. SPY is failing hardly. Oh my god. What happened in Tesla? Oh my god. See, if I'm waiting in Tesla, I have all of that profit. Not a problem. Not a problem. Let's watch what actually. Anyone guys would like me to see anything, please let me know. Upper, let's see upper. Oh, oh, big trend, a big trend, similar, similar, big trend to downside. It's supposed to bounce from here, but I'm not expecting that since the market is cracking, goes over the lows. Right now, the market is over the lows. Trying to bounce, but nothing happening here. Let's see. Let's see. My god, it's gone. I hate to see a stock gun like that. Qualcomm, let's see Qualcomm. My god, Qualcomm die. Qualcomm die over the lows. Over the lows, Qualcomm. Over the lows. The best candlestick here I can trade is this one for a short side. AVGO. Let's see what is AVGO. Low volume. MINST. MINST. What is that? MNST. MNST. Yeah, great, but it's gone. The top loser here is One Resort. Wow. What happened to the financial industry? Oh, oh. It's down 5%. Wow. Wow. Let's see, we may trade it if there is any reverse. Fantastic DDD. Fantastic DDD. Fantastic realistic. Realistic. I may take a one snapshot here. We may want to take a one snapshot here. Since it's a great. Great. I'm happy with this result. Let me take here a profit
Order
out.
filled.
Great. We take the profit out. We take the profit out. Great DD. Great DD. Now what next? I don't know. Since the market is keep cracking, I don't know actually. Market is cracking. I can see some reversal here. I can feel by some reversal here. When resort is down too much, I'm willing to take this trade and when resort.
Order filled.
I'm long win resort. I'm long win resort. It is down too much. I would like to take it for a quick scalp here with the reversal of the market. Love to see SPY is a little bit spiking here, not to continue. This candlestick in SPY give me the confidence to take Winnie Resort. Trying to fail, preventing, try to make doji, pushing. There is some buyer in this area. I don't want to see this candlestick in a SPY going over the lows. Oh my god, it's going over the lows. Very bad situation. Very bad situation, but let's see when it will gonna bounce again. Very bad situation. The stop loss will be 104. This is the SPY, guys. So I'd love to take some reversal here if SPY continue and reverse. So the SPY need to make a caddy bounce here and bounce from this area. I'm not confident to add more buy in win resort since the SPY is failing in that way. Let me make the framework here as a 2 minute. 2 minute, it is my eyes in the charts. Some reversal required here in SPY. Okay, I'm adding to win resort. I'm adding to win resort. There is some buyer here.
Order filled.
I put my order with a buyer volume. I put my order with a buyer volume. But I can believe now with SPY making one candlestick, it will put us in very green position here in winning. Yes, this is what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about. Yes, great, 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 great. Push the spy, push, push, push. Give me $1,000 in this trade. Very good, very good, very good. Fantastic, realistic, fantastic and realistic. Oh my god, I was about to take a partial here. The people who watch me, they know that I'm not taking a partial, but days like that, you have to take some partial. Spy back again to downside. Very bad, very bad, very bad. What happened to Boeing? Boeing, wow. BA. Wow. Boeing over the lows, guys. Over the lows. I love to buy Boeing actually. I love to buy Boeing. I made a decent money from Boeing. Boeing. One of the days, maybe in 2 years back, I was buying Boeing by 240. And see now Boeing is 351, which is a big decent amount. Wow, 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 wow. Go win resort. Yes, yes, great win resort. Great, 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 great. Where is the mouse? Take a partial here. Take a partial
Order
here.
filled.
I'm taking partial and win resort. Remaining now is 1000 shares. Great, great, great. I need a big push here. 105.50. It will be a realistic target for me. Market try to reverse right now. Will it give me some confidence? Love to buy Boeing, guys. Why I didn't buy Boeing? Boeing is very good. Boeing. Opportunity is gone. Okay, win resort, please go spike. Do the same of spy. Otherwise, I have to exit. Risk management need to be applied. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and go.
Order filled.
Go. I exited it. So the total profit in this trade is 920, which is good, realistic money, guys. Very realistic money. I'm up 3000. I'm up actually 7300 from a day. I took 4020 from Nvidia in a swing, and 2090 in my day trading today. So this shape, what it will gonna show you right now, why I take the partial, why I apply the risk management. This is what I'm teaching my student, guys. Risk management, risk management, risk management, risk management. So I wish if somebody actually planning to take the course with me soon, he will gonna learn all of that. But I met my target of the day. My target daily is $1,500. I make 7,000 plus this day, which is very realistic day to let me stop the trading. But I'm willing to answer any question. If anyone have a question, please write it here in the chat. Follow and subscribe. Press the thumb button for continuation support of my channel. And let me know what exactly you want me to explain. If anyone here have a stock also as well and need me to do the analysis job for him, please let me know. TVIX is over. Good morning, Yasser. Do you ever trade TVIX? Sorry, I just read this message right now, Mark. Yes, I trade TVIX. If there is a continuation, where is TVIX? I trade TVIX in news, guys. If Trump tweeted a tweet harming the market, I traded TVIX. I traded, I traded TVIX multiple of time. Yeah, I do doing that. But TVIX is very volatile, guys. It is burning a lot of accounts of traders who don't know how to trade TVIX. TVIX is news driven. News driven. The best trade in TVIX is when there is a news. If there is the market going up too much and because of news you have to short TVIX. If the market is failing you have to long TVIX. Last week when there is a tweet from China and America regarding tariffs, I purchased TYX in 1880. I took 10,000 shares and I sold it 20 $20 point 40. So it was a great trade, but it's all about the news. Spy is failing. Spy is failing. Spy is failing. I hope that there is no news for this failing, guys. I have to check. I have to check if there is any news right now. Just a second, guys. Okay. Yeah. Bloomberg Market Alive, New York is forecasting to bring the most important global business
Look,
briefing
it
the
looks
market.
increasingly likely that the Prime Minister is going to lose a vote today in which MPs are
I will gonna long Boeing, guys. This is a fantastic, realistic price for me to long Boeing. I will not take a big.
election agenda tomorrow. He said that he'll call a general election after that. Is this really the only way to break the deadlock here?
I will not take a big position here. I will take a small position for my swing play. It's not day trading actually. It's not day trading. I'm doing a
Order
swing play
filled.
here. I already take a 200 shares in Boeing for a swing play. So I'm not hurry to take any profit from Boeing right now. From this 200 shares I can make them $2,000 in Boeing for a proper swing here. So let me show you something in Boeing actually why I took Boeing. Let me put the frame time 5 minutes. So last Friday Boeing closed the day by 364 and now it is 51.66, which is we are talking about $14 downside. Company like that cannot be fair, guys, if there is no bad news. So if there is a news driven take the market right now, all of that to downside. Sure, tomorrow or day after tomorrow, since there is some reverse and can take all of that to upside. So if you times 200 shares time $14, which is let's say this is our target here, 364, it will be a fantastic reward here across 2000 plus, which is very quiet. So I'm not hurry to take any profit from this trade.
in
I'll
October,
keep it
if not
for a
in
swing.
October and November. We want an election. I think this is the most incompetent parliament, certainly, that I've come across in my 14 years as a
Let me
member of
see if
parliament,
there is someone
not respecting the will of
writing
the British
anything.
people. And we
Do
need
you ever trade SPY? No, no, I didn't trade SPY. SPY sometime before, but not now. Yani I was taking option position in SPY, and I'm only taking a option when I would like to hedge my shares. I'm always doing that in the earning season, based on market volatility, based on employed volatility, based on a lot of things actually. If anyone guys have any question, please ask. Okay. Seems that there is some move here. Some move here actually. SPY trying to bounce back. SPY trying to bounce back. I'm gonna change this one to SPY again. Okay, let me see ADI. What is ADI? Mm-hmm. This is analog devices. It's a technology company. It's downside 3%. I don't know this company. I don't know the behavior of that. So I cannot trade it actually. I cannot trade it. One of the mandatory things before to take any trade to know the behavior of stock. So not any stock you can trade. JD. JD is down 2% of the day. It's bouncing hardly right now. Not hardly, but it's bouncing, but it's very slow mover. Not in my interest. Not in my interest. WIPA. Oh, big down here in WIPA. Big down in WIPA. Oh, it is a bomb. It is a bomb trade. But already it's gone. But if I apply the rules right now, I have to long WIPA. I have to long WIPA. So I will gonna apply the procedure here. This is the rules of
Order
one
filled.
of the strategies here. I have to long WIPA. Realistic target is half of the big candlestick here, which is away 20 cent or 30 cent. Let's see. SPY right now reversing back again. It will crack my mind. I don't want to see any reversal down to downside now again to SPY. Hopefully this is the last trade for today, guys. WIBA. Let me see how we can progress here in WIBA. Then Boeing is moving in a good direction, actually, guys. Boeing is moving in a good direction. In a good direction. I took almost half dollar in Boeing. I'm gonna show you here, guys. Almost half a dollar in Boeing. I bought it in fantastic price action. So the realistic target, as I told you guys, I will take the same of close of last night. Let's see how this can happen. If there is no news, let us see. This is a swing play, not a day trading play. So the swing trade, it's a combination between an investment trade and swing trade itself. So swing trade can be an investment trade if it not reach the target within the target time. So you will not continue losing. If, for example, uh, I bought Boeing in 351.66, and I'm targeting to have a 2 to 3 days to reach to my target, $14 per share, as per the last night closing. If this is not happening within 2 to 3 days, and it continue to downside, I can add in my shares, and instead of looking to take a $14 from this price action, the price action will go a little down, and the bounce will be a very hard and take me to my target. So this will be an investment trade. It can take a week, it can take a weeks. It doesn't matter if you have some fund and you are willing to trade. It's similar, guys, if you are opening a shop market and you bought some materials and put it in shelf, and no customer come to bought it. That's fine. There is a one day customer will come and buy it. So Boeing is very strong, and this is actually apply or not in any stock. It's applying in a blue chips market, or strong stocks like Boeing, Apple, Google, Amazon. But Amazon is a little bit different. Amazon, you need to know the behavior of Amazon, because Amazon is big mover, guys. It's very big mover. If you don't know how to trade the blue chips and big companies, I have a big chapter in that in my course, and it's really beautiful information. If you know it, that you can only do a swing trade if you don't want to sit in front of the screen every day. Swing trade is profitable, but not as the scalping trades. Scalping trades, you're gonna make a money every day, but in a swing trade you're gonna make a profit, but not much as day trading, especially the scalping traders. And come on, guys, from the next shows here, you can invite your friends, let them come and watch the trades what we are taking every day. Good. Market is showing some strength here and bouncing area. Fantastic, fantastic. Boeing doing a great job here. Boeing. Anyone guys have any question? Please let me know. Good reversal right now in the market. Good reversal. Good reversal. The entire market right now is slow. It's almost 1 hour from the day trading. The reason why we are doing the scalping trades on day trading on the first hour is the volume and the volatility. So the first hour is very fast moving, and the last hour as well is also sometimes it's very fast. But majority of day trader they would love to trade at the first hour, and the rest of the day is like it will gonna be in all transaction will not it will not gonna be based on in a real traders like us sitting in the machines. It will be like an let's say algorithm and computer system for a hedge fund. They are taking a position and doing some math. I'd love to see SPY continue upward rather than reversing going back right like what is doing right now. Weibo is not giving us any direction here because of the market. So write me here guys in the chat. Tell me what is your platform you trade and what you did today, which stocks you trade. The things is when you're doing trades with me in a YouTube is delayed almost 2 to 3 minutes, which is absolutely not a good setup for a scalping because we are based on a volume. If the volume is die, we are out. So if you are willing to do some live trades, you can send me in a private message. I have a Webix platform I can open. You can take the position in the same time I'm taking. And let's see. Tell me your position today, what you did, and what platform you use. Okay, SPY doing a great now. SPY for the last 3 to 4 minutes is upward. Some volume here is rising more than failing, which is some indication here that it can reverse and it can be the bottom of the day. Let's see. The hectic trade here is the hectic trade will be in an option trade, but I don't advise anyone to do option if you are not understanding option well. There is a people doing money in option, but the thing is if you don't know how to trade option, it will be a big loss here. So it's a consolidation area here. I can see here now in SPY. The last 10 minutes it's in the same price action. Remaining 8 minutes, guys, and I have to exit, not exit actually, I have to close the live stream. Please take the opportunity to ask me if you have any question. I'm gonna answer it right now. Great, now SPY trying to reverse. Left. Let's see, left. LYFT, left, it was IBO. It was an IBO. Oh my god, it's cracking right now. It's cracking. Actually, when it open in not in a gap. But right now it's a cracking to downside. Let me see on focus here. To trade left right now, I have to open the market data now in left. To see the volume in left. So the volume is right now is there is a big orders in left and buyer as well. So the buyer are sitting downside here in this position, like in 64, 61. 64, 61, there is a big buyer here preventing the stock to go downside. But it seems that there is a big order right now is for selling, and it is executing. One second. So from here you can know what is executing right now. If you can see a plus plus or minus, this one we're gonna give you indication about the market depth. Big buyer right now is keep buying, keep buying, keep buying. Whatever those people willing to sell, they are keep buying. But it is not an indication that it will continue for upward. The majority of the day is downside. There is certain buyer here. It may not be a buyer, it may be a short recover position. Still there is a big seller right now sitting here. It is risky to take any trade now in this stock. Plus it is very slow. Because I put here in a 5-minute chart, sorry. Scalping is based on 2-minute chart, not 5-minute chart. So to jump in this trade I have to see a big volume start executing, otherwise you cannot jump. Keep looking to what situation right now happening in there. Seems that all people they are offering stocks they are selling for the buyer. Could be because of SPY trying to reverse right now. Big numbers here, big numbers here. But the majority of big orders, which is hidden orders, is buyer. That's why I see it's a spiking. So I can read by my data the movement of a stock. Still continuing for upward. Big buyer here. Big buyer here. See guys, this is the movement. Big buyer. But those buyer they can go away within a second if the volumes die. But till now they are a serious buyer where they push. They are pushing right now. As you see, they are pushing. Try to push by maximum. Where now I can see a volume of seller also as well. But all of them they are sold them shares. buyer, buyer in place. Buyer in place guys. Big buyer in place right now. Big buyer in place. They are trying to push. But from my perspective, it is too late to trade the stock. It is too late to trade the stock. Okay, I'm gonna return this back. Return the market depth also back. Fantastic here in WIPA. I missed to see what WIPA doing. But you know what? I fed up from
Order
WIPA.
filled.
$150 is very good in WIPA since it's very slow mover. I fed from WIPA. Only the position right now I have is Boeing BA, where it is a swing trade. I'm not looking to get it today. So let it be like that. If today I have a good news, tomorrow we're gonna take my sweet profit from Boeing as what I did in Nvidia last Friday. I was knowing that Nvidia is playing in watch price action, and I got short position at the last minute of the day. Then today when it opened, it was gap down 1%, which is give me $4,000 because I was taking a massive shares here. Sometime I would love to take massive shares, especially in swing play. Guys, tell me any question you need me to answer. The 1 hour of the day is already done. Otherwise, I have to close the day. Thank you, Mark, for your participation, and thank you for others people. Please share this this live video and invite your friends. Put the thumbs up, and this is to make a continuation of streaming, guys. Anyway, it was successful day trading today. I'm up 7,486, which is a good money actually for starting of the week. Be careful, guys, to do a trade during the day. Do only trades at the first or at the last minute of the day. You see what I told you, Mark, regarding lift. If you are coming here and see there is a big buyer, we're gonna go jump and buy. What will happen right now? It fail again to downside. So right now it's gone. You cannot trade it. You cannot trade it actually. It's supposed to be very early to get any trade. So if you ask me here, where is the best candlestick you can short? It is this candlestick. It is this candlestick. If I witness here, I will gonna short and continue. Not because I saw all of this trend. No, if you come and hide this like that, sorry, like that, I will gonna trade it. I will gonna trade it. I have no issue to trade it. Oh my god, I forget to put the battery here, the charging cable to my battery. Just a second, guys. My goodness, I'm messing up everything here. Now we're back. So as I told you, if I see this chart in left and I saw this candlestick start happening, I'm gonna take a short position in left. Yeah. Thank you very much. Wish you all guys a good time and good trade. See you everyone. So how good you are in your day today? I just mentioned that I did 7,498 right now. This is a realistic, a realized position. Remaining buying, and I'm keeping buying for a swing trade. So thank you guys for your coming today, and I hope that you enjoyed, and see you another day. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.